So we devote ourselves. It says they devoted themselves to the apostles' teachings, the story of Jesus, all the things that Jesus taught his disciples, they in turn taught to the next generation of faith. And they in turn taught the next generation of faith. And that has been passed down for 2,000 years. And now we teach the next generation of faith. We are not here for ourselves. We are here for the kingdom come. We are here for the church to thrive in perpetuity. Because that's what we've been doing for the last 2,000 years. And they dedicated them, they devoted themselves, not just to the apostles' teaching, but the fellowship, to grow in knowledge and love for one another, so that when the needs of the community come forth, when we are dragged through the trials and the mud that this life has to offer, that the life that we are cultivating, that we are able to share that with each other. So that when we are hurt, we do not fall off, but we are embraced and brought alongside and lifted up again for 2,000 years.